Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Suraya. My name is Siti Nur Ain binti Muhammad Nazri and my metric card ID is CA19121. We are from Group 8 and we will be presenting our project, which is NMS application software, and we chose Op Manager for our project. I will explain the overview of Op Manager. Op Manager is an integrated network management service that facilitates efficient and hassle-free network management. Users also can download the paid version for more scalability and better performance. Op Manager is suitable for all sizes of the business, which offers a single console solution to manage the complete network of any organization, whether operating on a small, mid-size or large scale. It also provides a user-friendly user interface that makes network monitoring simple and easy, complete with intuitive dials and graphs that are also configurable to meet the needs of the user. So next I will proceed with the Op Manager's characteristics and services. Op Manager provides network and server monitoring, bandwidth analysis, configuration management and also fault management. Users can monitor the availability, performance and traffic of everything that has an IP connected to the internet. In addition, if any equipment goes down, it will deliver text or email notification automatically to the users. Op Manager is compatible with Windows and also Linux operating system. It also accessible for Android and iOS devices via dedicated mobile application. Next, I will explain about FCAPS elements. The first element is fault management. So the purpose of fault management is to identify, isolate, log and troubleshoot network faults in the fastest ways possible. It will monitor and detect any unusual behavior and predict errors to ensure that the network is always up and running. After that, it will alert by notifying network admins through alarms and notifications. Then it will isolate the fault by location and isolate the event to present actionable faults. Finally, it will be resolved by fixing faults through automation and manual intervention. So this figure shows the configuration of the event log rules that will locate information within error, warning, information, success audit and failure audit events. And the other figure shows the fault event log where it displays the activity events that has been detected. It provides automatic rules to monitor critical security logs across all Windows servers and workstation in user network. Next element is accounting management, which is the services that are taken by the user and the billing that they need to pay. As you can see in this figure, Op Manager provides 3 editions for the user to purchase the software before downloading, which are the Standard Edition, Professional Edition, as well as the Enterprise Edition. It provides a 30 days free trial if the user downloads the paid edition, and no payment method is required when a user downloads within a trial period. Op Manager also provides a free edition for the user to download the software for free. The free edition can monitor 3 devices only compared to the other editions. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to Dr. Suraya and our fellow classmates. So I will continue to another part of NMS application software. I am Nur Syafiqah Emalim binti Zamri, CA19001. So for the next FCAPS element is configuration management. Configuration management is the process of the system to initiate and maintain the network performance, besides auditing and discovering what is inside the network. So the features that is provided in Op Manager software related to configuration management is adding new devices to be monitored. Other than that, Op Manager also can set an alarm notifications and will notify the admin if there is any errors occurs. So this is how the admin of the network can add the device into the system. So the admin must at the IP address of the device and also choose the credentials. It can also add another credential so it can be suitable to be used for the device. And then this is the list of the notification profiles that has been set for the system, which is it can be added in multiple device and multiple purpose. For the next FCATS elements is the performance management. Performance management, as we know, it is important elements in monitoring the networks to keep the network devices at the optimal performance levels. And other than that, it also can improve throughput and reduce network congestions. So in Op Manager software, some of the features with regards to performance, such as it can show the availability of the devices used in terms of statistics and history. Op Manager also can monitor the real-time CPU utilization and device packet loads in terms of statistics or graphs. There are also another features and also the device monitoring that can be shown in the system. So this is the how the certain devices used in the network can be read in the summary device in terms of their availability timeline. So it can show the availability percentage, the packet loss percentage, and the response time. And the next one is the line graph of the real-time memory utilization. Other than that, in the real-time memory utilization, the pole interval and the time windows on the graph also can be added or changed according to our expectation to see the difference in the network monitoring. So for the next FCATS, I will pass to other members. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Sraya and my fellow friends. I am Fatul Amira CA19007 from Group 8 and I'm going to talk about security management in OP Manager. Security management is used to set the stage for a company's cyber security strategy. Data classification, risk management and threat detection and response will all benefit from the information and procedures produced as part of security management processes. In OP Manager, from the first page, admin need to log in and entering their password. This is the basic from the security management, which is the one who is authorized only can access to manage their network data and etc. Other than that, all data transmission to manage engine cloud services are encrypted using TLS 1.2 protocols and they use certificates issued by SHA 256 based CA ensuring that all users have a secure connection from their browsers to other services. For the next one, enable SSL. Why we need to enable SSL configuration? SSL is a secure socket layer which is a standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a server and a client. It is implemented in client-server communication with a secure handshake process made possible using public key infrastructure. The client and server perform a process called handshake in which they agree upon what encryption they can use and their shared key before starting to communicate. This information will be encrypted using the public key contained in certificate and can only be decrypted using private key. So no one can intercept the communication further even if the packets are captured. The figure shows the default setting for the SSL configuration. To secure the login process, it is required to enable HTTPs in OP Manager. If this option is enabled, all communication between the product server and the agents will be encrypted using the HTTPs protocol. So next, we need to generate CSR. Why we need to generate CSR is because this option helps us generate a certificate sign request, which is a block of encoded text that is given to a certificate authority when applying for an SSL certificate. It is usually generated on the server where the certificate will be installed and contains information that will be included in the certificate, such as the organization name, common name, locality, and country. It also contains the public key that will be included in the certificate. So, after enabling SSL through certain steps, you will be able to connect to OpenManager in secure mode, like you can see as you can see in the slides. Finally, in conclusion, Managed Engine OpenManager is a network management software package that combines network and server monitoring, bandwidth analysis, configuration management, and fault management. The solution is applicable for organizations of all sizes. Users can use OpenManager to track the availability, traffic, packet loss, performance metrics, and processing speed of various devices such as servers, routers, switches, and virtual machines. If any equipment fails, OpenManager automatically sends text messages or emails to the appropriate parties. That's all from me. Thank you.